Hello viewers and learners. Welcome back to HTML coding. In today's class we will learn email input, file upload, submit button and reset button in HTML forms. The sample registration form you can see on the screen. Okay, this form we are going to create in today's class. So in previous class we have learned all these things, how to take a single line input, how to take password input, how to insert radio buttons, how to insert these drop down list or selection options and these check boxes and the cover letter and everything. We have learned all these things in the previous class. If you have not watched my previous video, please go to the HTML or CSS playlist on my channel. So let's start with today's thing. Here you can see first name. So in first name and last name you can type normal text only. In password and re-enter password, these are the password type of inputs. So here whatever you type, it will come in dot dots. Now next is the radio button, and in radio button you should know that only one we can select. This is drop down list, select an option we have used, and these are check boxes. In check boxes we can choose multiple options. The next one that I am editing is cover letter. Cover letter means we have used multiple line comments here. So all these things we have already done in previous classes. Now we will use email, file, submit and reset in today's class. So I have created the paragraph and a label. The use of label tag also I have explained in the previous class. Now inside the label I am using that input tag, and this time type will be email, okay, because we want to take email type of input. So type email and name email. I told you on that day also that name attribute we used as an identifier. Now let me type the label here, enter email. Okay, now I'll copy this thing and paste it again. Okay, so now we will take the file input. In so many registration form or somewhere you always have seen such kind of things that we can upload the file. So how we can upload the file? In just input tag, type attribute we will change it to file and name, whatever identifier you want to make it. So name file and type file. Now here the last thing we have submit and reset buttons. So these are also the type input types only. So in input tag only we will use type, submit and value, means what value you transfer from one page to another page, that value you can use here. So here we are learning only HTML coding, children. We are not learning the JavaScript or the other things. Okay, so backend we are not creating. We are just creating the front page. So that's why I will not teach you the PHP or that JavaScript file now. We are just taking value submit, and the next type I have taken reset and value reset form. Okay, so we have created two buttons. Now just check it on the page. Let me open it on the server. Open with live server, and here you go. So here you can see, here you can type the first name, just random name I am typing here, so that I can show you the use of reset button, because submit button we are not using now because we have not added any action page here. So I'll show you the reset button. Reset button means whatever you are entering in your forms, reset button will delete everything and set your forms to the default values. Here I'm using upload file, and you can see with the help of reset we can clear our form, or everything will be set in the default mode only. So again, graduation degree I have selected and reset. Okay, so this is how this reset form button will work. In cover letter you can change anything, you can use reset. Whatever you will type in this thing, in this form, if you will use reset button, So it will delete everything from the screen and everything will be set on its default values. Okay, so here we are done with this registration forms. In the next class, we will start learning CSS, the cascading style sheet to style our HTML forms. If you have any doubt in today's class, you can post your doubts in comment section. If you like this video, like it, share it with your friend and subscribe my channel. Thank you.